DaVinci Hand Split Shake Siding General Requirements. Hand split shake siding must be installed on flat vertical wall applications only. Hand split shake siding may be installed on braced wood or steel stud walls. An APA-rated minimum 7/16 inch thick OSB or 1/2 inch thick plywood sheathing is required. DaVinci shake siding may be installed on structural insulated panels, SIPs, provided the panels incorporate the minimum sheathing requirement of 7/16 inch. Contact the SIPs manufacturer regarding cladding requirements. A weather-resistive barrier is required in accordance with local building codes. Use an approved weather-resistive barrier as defined by the 2015 IRC. The weather-resistive barrier must be installed in accordance with the manufacturer's specifications and requirements. Shake courses must be installed horizontally. Angled or sloped applications are not permitted. Visit our installation video library for product and condition-specific installation guidelines.